Hi, I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to give you a closer look at this 12-piece Beltline stainless steel trim set fitting your 1955 through 1957 Chevy. This 12-piece Beltline trim kit is specific to the hardtop two-door Bel Air models from 1955 through 1957. It's going to be a direct replacement for the factory components, and it's made in the original stainless steel. Now, it does include clips where necessary, but some factory hardware will be needed. This trim set will basically frame the driver and passenger side windows and includes the left and right upper and lower door belt lines, the left and right upper and lower quarter belt lines, the left and right sail panel moldings, and the left and right vertical windshield moldings. With original pieces in good condition just getting harder and harder to find, this 12-piece stainless steel Beltline trim kit is a great way to restore your 55 through 57 Bel Air Chevy.